Oh, wow, look at that. Wow. Take a look, guys. Take a look.
Hi loves, what is up? If you're new here, my name is Ashika Lee, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. So as y'all can tell by the title, this video is going to be a wig install, and I installed it a little bit different. It's going to be a step-by-step, but definitely like aesthetically pleasing, kind of like romanticizing a wig install, if that makes sense. I just wanted to do it a little bit differently. But yeah, so we installed this wig. This wig is from Asteria hair, and I'm sure you guys have heard of them before. They are well known and they have quality wigs. And also, as y'all can see, this wig has some color to it, which I'm so happy that I did not have to do myself, y'all. So the wig comes colored. I didn't have to do anything but just bleach and pluck this wig, and y'all will see that later on in the video. But yes, so before we get into the video, today's motivational quote is, God is bigger than your anxieties and fear. Pray, trust, and keep moving. God's got you. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before we jump into the video. So with that being said, let's just jump into this video. Hi loves, so this video is going to be a little different. I know y'all hear my voice right now. It's a hot mess. I have a sore throat. So my mom is going to do the honors with doing this voiceover. Wish her luck because she don't know what she's doing, but it's okay. Like I said in the beginning, the hair is from Asteria hair. Check the description box down below and you guys will find the link. So let's just get started. Take it away, mommy.
Hey loves, so here we go. We're gonna talk about this wig. It looks fabulous. It has different colors. I can see red. Now she's parting the hair. I guess she's braiding it because I wasn't there to braid for her. Okay, so now she's parting the hair with a comb, straight back braids, and she clipped the side. She's using knockout edge control. Okay, and she's putting it in the braids, comb it in, and now she's gonna braid. Okay.
So this just helps me to braid my hair a little bit better, get a better grip, because like I said, my mama wasn't there to do it for me.
Right.
So we just braiding my hair back right now.
Okay, she's braiding all the way down, and she put the last braid attached to the other braid just to make it neat so the wig can lay flat.
There you go.
And there she goes. She's finished braiding, and I think she's gonna tuck it in just to make it real cute and flat. Okay, here we go. All right, now she's gonna pin that braided hair. Now she's just using some oil to keep her scalp moist. You have to do that sometime to keep your hair, moist while the wig is on. You don't want your hair dry, so you keep it moist with some oil. Okay, and she go from braid to braid. She just working it in. Okay. All right, now she got the got to be glue, and she puts it on her finger, and now she's pasting her hair with it just around the edges, the front of her hair, and she brushes it back to have a smooth lay when the wig is on.
It's really just to get my baby hairs out the way. You guys know this. You can't have your hair out and looking messy and then trying to put glue on it, because now the glue will be in your hair.
Right, what she said. Okay, now she's blow drying it, I guess, to make it dry and neat and, laying flat. Okay. All right. And now she's putting a cap on. And she cuts the hair of the cap. Oops. And Yeah, she got the cap on. Now she's gonna put it under the dryer to make it dry. And then she lays glue around the edges of the front of her hair. She's pasting the glue down.
And this is to make sure that the cap is nice and flat, and the glue pretty much just outlines where I'm going to lay the wig.
All right, now she's making the cap neat, so when the wig is on, you don't see the cap. Now she's, I think, plucking the wig. Excuse me, guys. You guys know I'm Jamaican, so. All right, now she's plucking the wig. There we go. Pluck, just to make it look neat and, natural, like it's your hair. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I guess now she's, she's still plucking.
Gotta pluck.
Yeah, she keeps plucking. You gotta pluck it, I guess, to make it look like a real earline. You don't want so much hair at the front of your head. Now she's going to show the other side, and then she sprayed the comb with the got to be glue. And now she's laying the cap flat so that it stays at her earline neat. See, now the wig is on, and then so now we can see the reason for putting the got to be glue on the edge of the hair. You don't see the cap, right? So that's why you lay it flat, and then you blow dry it and use the comb to lay it flat. There we go. All right, now we're using some alcohol for the earline, and now we put glue around the cap, the earline. So she's putting enough glue so that when she lay the wig on, it will be nice and flat and melted. Okay, here we go. So you lay it around your hairline. You use enough so that it can lay flat.
That's your favorite word.
Lay flat. What do I know? Just to lay it flat, I guess.
So this part is really repetitive. So y'all know, I think I used about 4 layers of glue because I planned on keeping this wig on for a really long time. So yeah, I just used my popsicle stick. Yep, this was round 2. And I had a little music break.
Hey.
And then this is the third layer. As y'all can see, the glue has to dry clear before you go in with another layer on top. So now we're putting the wig on, and
so basically the glue need to be dry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Not dry all the way, but
at least not wet.
It has to be sticky.
Okay.
Yeah. If it dries, then it's not gonna stick.
All right. So now you put the wig on, and you, I guess, get it laid. Pressing it down on the glue that's already on the earline. And you want to line up the wig to your earline so that it matches with your earline. And then you're going to cut around your hair so the wig is, laid naturally like it's your hair.
One thing about Jamaicans, they do not pronounce certain letters.
Okay.
Because you just said wrapped around my hair. You mean ear.
Yes. She'll wrap it around her hair. Y'all get the gist. And now she cutting around her hair. Ear. Sorry, guys. Cutting around her hair. Ear.
Oh, my God.
So now you let it be known that I say hair for ear. Okay.
I think every Jamaican
now she cuts the hair. I guess to add layers to the body of the wig. Okay, there we go. Now you use your flat iron, hot comb, and you curl your hair. So she's curling the wig, and she starts from the back Wonder why not the front? Well, you got to start from the back. It's easier. And you get the hair. There we go. Nice curl. And then she's spraying it with spritz. Okay. I guess spritz is okay because it's not your natural hair. This is a wig, so that's fine.
And it has to hold. It helps hold the curls in place. It helps hold
the curl in place. And now she's curling and curling.
So this part is pretty repetitive. Mom, do you want to tell them about your New Year's plans? Do you have any plans for New Year's?
Yes, I do have plans for New Year's.
Okay.
We're gonna have dinner. We're gonna play games. We're gonna, thank the Lord. We have to do that for taking us through the new year. And she's just she's just curling the hair, all the way down. She started at the back, and now she's at the front. I like the color of the different colors that's in the front all through the hair.
Right? It's different.
It's different, yes. There are different colors. There's red, there's blonde, there is a not so blonde, there is brown.
It kind of looks pink.
It does.
Being honest, it kind of looks a little pink.
Yeah, but it looks good.
Yeah.
I like it. Now, guys, when you cut the wig layer to your line, make sure you don't cut yourself. Right? Okay. So there you go. You pull it back and you spray. Got to be glue after you cut it to make sure that it's blends in and it's perfect to where you want it. And you just spray got to be glue, and then you use your finger and you use your comb and you lay it flat, and there it is. Look at that. Wow. And now we're gonna do baby hair.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The best part.
Yes, baby hair. Wow, and now you use the comb just to get it straight.
I was so scared to do this because it's so close to my face and it's so hot.
Well, you got it. Look at that.
Look at that.
You can't even tell.
Look at that.
Where the hairs start from. Wow. Look at that.
And this install was different because you guys know I don't normally do baby hairs all around my hair, but I actually really like this look. I wanted to try something different. So I just sprayed some Got2b on it, and we're just molding the baby hairs out of the hairline, and then we're gonna cut it short because who wears long baby hairs? Nobody. Stop doing that, please.
All right, now we just curling the baby hair is short and nice, and we got the Gorilla Glue, and we're gonna pluck the side. There you go, and you lay it flat, and you use the brush to curve. You curve it in. There you go. That's a special brush for the baby hair. Right, edge brush. Oh, there you go. All right, look at that. Beautiful. Nice.
So this part is pretty repetitive. I really just did my baby hairs. You guys, make sure y'all leave a comment down below. It's my mother's birthday in 2 weeks. So make sure y'all say happy birthday.
Guys, hook me up. Say happy birthday. And guess what? It's my 50th birthday. Yes, I'm not ashamed. I'm going to be 50 years old. It's exciting. Woo! All right, there we go. Wow, look at that. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Ow! Look. Whoop. Watch the ears. Watch the ears. There you go. There you go. Wow. And that looks so natural. Look like your hair. There you go. So, guys, if you follow the step, this is the look you will get. That's beautiful.
We just combing our curls out, y'all.
Just comb them out just to make it look natural and well laid. There we go. And all we did was curl the hair.
That's it.
That's it. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. You did good, girl. You did wonderful. Look at that. That's beautiful. You can't even tell that it's a wig. Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. Me and my accent, Jamaican and American, everything mixed up together. But anyway, Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for watching. Just pray that she get her voice back so she can talk to you guys herself and get this done. But it was well done and it looks good. It looks perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye, loves.
All right, y'all, so that pretty much completes this video. We slayed, we laid, we installed, we curled, we layered. It looks so good. And y'all know I did something a little bit different with the baby hair in the middle, but I really like it. So I hope y'all like the style of this video. And if y'all are interested in knowing like what I did to get this type of natural beat, then leave a comment down below and I'll do a separate like 5-minute makeup tutorial for you guys. So leave a comment down below, let me know if you guys want that. And yeah, this is the finished look. I actually really like it. I've never done like a pushback with body wave hair before, like a pushback with curls before, so I really like it. It's definitely giving. It's definitely giving. I absolutely love it, y'all. So this is the finished look. And again, if y'all are interested in purchasing this exact wig, check the description box down below. You guys will find the links to everything listed down there, and as well as the link to their actual website as well. If y'all just want to browse on there, see what they got, see what type of deals they got, then definitely just check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.